What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 on deck. And I got one of the most important accessories for protection for this device that you can buy. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, shout out to a company called Benks. If you follow me, you know I use a lot of their Airman fiber cases, minimal cases. They got a lot of dope cases and things of that nature. And we got some of that coming too. But today I'm worried about protection. And today we got the GlassWarrior screen protector. And not for the mains display on the Galaxy Z Flip 7. This is for the cover display, guys. As a seasoned Flip owner and user, I know this cover display takes a lot of abuse. In your pocket, 9 times out of 10, if you drop it, the phone is closed or going to close and it's going to take the abuse. So it's important that you have a good screen protector on this thing so you don't crack or shatter your cover display. This big, beautiful bezel-less display definitely deserves some protection. So we got Benks here. As you can see, this company been out since 2008, guys. Definitely got some things that you want from a screen protector on your front display. HD clarity and transparency, enhanced explosion proof, and scratch resistant. So just definitely saving your actual cover display from abuse. Also, we take a look at the back. This actual screen protector got strengthened dust proof, strong anti-fingerprint, enhanced impact resistance, full coverage protection, and you still get a responsive touch. You definitely gonna want that responsive touch, guys, because I would hate to put an actual screen protector on and feel like, you know, it's 2 layers. So this one should feel like it's 1 layer. It should just feel like you touching the screen of your display, and you should get all that responsiveness that you want. It also provides a smooth hand sensation. But let's go ahead and check out what's going on in the box. So we're gonna pull a tray out from the bottom. And here we go. We got some paperwork right on top. So excuse me, this actually wasn't paperwork. It's an actual envelope with all the contents that we need for the screen protector. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. We got a big Benks sticker. Got the installation kit. And this is the actual screen protector. And y'all will be glad to know it seemed like it's a frame installed, so we can get that perfect one-time install perfectly lined up also. I love when they provide a screen protector with a frame, so you're not sitting there trying to figure out, is everything even? Is this on? Is this off? It's just a frame, so you can go ahead and get it on there exactly lined up perfect the first time. So this is everything you get in the installation kit. Basically, you're going to get an alcohol wipe to clean the actual display. You're going to get a microfiber to clean the residue and make sure it's streak-free, things of that nature once you clean the display. And then if you see any little dust on the display, this is a sticker where you can actually use this to get the dust off of the display. So I'm going to go through this real quick. I'm going to hit it with the alcohol wipe, hit it with the microfiber, and then make sure no dust is on with this little sticker. So let me get to that. Okay, guys, so we all cleaned up here. The cover display is completely clean and dust free, I think, for the most part. So guys, this is exactly how the screen protector look. Now, as you can see, it's in the frame. And on the other side of the frame, we got a sticker. So we got to take the sticker off the back. And this is where you're going to see the little tab to pull the sticker off. Once I pull the sticker off, I'm going to actually apply this to the device like it should be applied. Now you got to remove the backing. Here's the little tab to remove the backing. Once you remove the backing, you're just going to actually put the frame on the device. And if you got any little air bubbles, you can just kind of squeegee them out with like a little card or the microfiber. So I done put the screen protector on with the frame on, and I'm kind of smoothing any bubbles I see, but I can't truly see the bubbles till I actually remove the frame. So as you can see, we got one little bubble, and I basically just wiped that air bubble off to the side with the microfiber, and this is your nice install, guys. Now you got a nice hardened screen protector, because this is the actual display that takes the beating on your Flip. When it's in your pocket clothes, when it's in your tech bag clothes, if you're a lady, when it's in your pocketbook clothes. So things of that nature. You don't want your display getting scratched by your keys. This takes all the abuse. Nine times out of 10, if this device is in a bad situation, it's closed, inner display protected, outside display actually taking the abuse. Shout out to Benks for sending this out. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'll put a link down in the description. I'm out. Peace.